Hello everyone, antennas and microwave engineering MCQ. An antenna having an effective temperature of 15 degree K is fed into microwave amplifier that has effective noise temperature of 20 degree K. Calculate the available noise power per unit area bandwidth if noise bandwidth is 4 MHz and K equal to option B is the correct answer 48.3 into 10 to the power minus 23 watt per hertz. Next question. An antenna having an effective temperature of 15 degree K is fed into a microwave amplifier that has effective noise temperature of 20 degree K. Calculate the total available noise power for a noise bandwidth of 4 MHz and K equal to 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23. Option C is the correct answer 193.2 into 10 to the power minus 17 watts. A 3.7 meter diameter parabolic reflector is used in terrestrial low link at 6.175 GHz. Calculate the gain of the antenna. Option D 37171.2 1.278 is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. 3.7 meter diameter parabolic reflector is used in terrestrial low link at 0.6.175 GHz. Calculate the beam width of the antenna. Calculate the beam width of the antenna. Option A is the correct answer. 0.919 is the correct answer. Next question. Calculate the voltage induced by a plane wave of field strength 0.01 volts per meter and frequency 1 MHz in a frame loop antenna 1 meter square of 12 turns. Assume the plane of the loop beginning in the plane of the wave theta equal to 0. Option B is the correct answer 2.512 MV. A loop operating at 500 kHz and having 10 turns 1 meter square area, it was found that maximum potential difference of 2 MW was developed across it. The loop is turned to its resonance. Find the field strength if Q is 30. Option C is the correct answer 19.11 MW. A loop aerial for use of 500 kHz, height 0.5 m, width 0.5 m and 25 turns. When directed to receive a maximum signal, the induced EMF in the loop is 150 microwatts. Find the field strength of the signal picked up. Option D is the correct answer 95.55 microwatts. Calculate the voltage induced in the frame area having A equal to 1 m and number of turns it 10 when placed aligned in the field of plane wave of the field strength 0.02 V bar m and lambda equal to 200 m. Option A is answer 6.28 MW. A loop direction finder as square loop aerial 1 m with 400 turns. Loop having Q of 100 is connected to receiver 2 to 1 MHz. Calculate the input voltage to the receiver. If the field strength 10 microwatts and orientation is 60 degree, option B is the answer 4.186 volt. Determine the voltage induced in the loop antenna if the 1 m square and 12 turns. The incident wave of 100 microvolt field strength and 10 MHz frequency. The frame of aerial parallel to the direction propagation of the wave 251.20. Option C is the correct answer. A square loop antenna has 200 turns and each ARM is 1 m length. This is connected to receiver turned to 10 MHz. Calculate the field strength if the input to receive 10 MV and Q is 100. The orientation is 60 degree. Option C is the correct answer 4.776. A loop antenna consists of 10 turns which each having area of 1 meter square. A tuned frequency of 1 MHz induce sinusoidal EMF of 100 microwatts in the antenna. When it oriented for maximum response, calculate the peak value of magnetic field intensity H of the radio wave. Option D is the correct answer 1.793. Calculate the voltage induced in a loop 10 turns 45 degree magnetic field of strength 10 to the power minus 7 wave per meter square. Wavelength of 1000 m is option A is the correct answer, 1.332. If the electric field strength of plane wave is H, strength is option B, 2.62 is the correct answer. Electromagnetic wave are transmitted and received through a small opening is called aperture antenna. The tapped aperture field distribution will generally result in reduction of side lobe. Practically, we have two types of aperture antenna. The sectoral horn is rectangular type waveguide with a flaring is done in only one direction along the single wall of the rectangular guide. It is further classified into two types. E-plane sectoral horn is obtained when the flaring is done in the direction of E field. In the radio system, a biconical antenna is broad bandwidth antenna made up of two conical conductive objective with non-direction in horizontal plane. At the end of the waveguide, the guided propagation changes in free space propagation. So that is region is called dash region, transition region. Dash radiation from an antenna may be eliminated by using a plane sheet reflector of large enough dimension. Option C is the correct answer, backward radiation. Dash does not require a directional feed, where the direct and reflector waves are properly combined using image theory, and it does not have specification point. Option D is the correct answer, corner reflector. In parabolic antenna, the distance between focus point and vertex is called length. The array of antenna in which all identical elements are placed dash to each other along the straight line. Parallel is the correct answer. A linear broad side array consists of 4 equal isotopic in phase point source with spacing equal to lambda by 3. Calculate the HP BW if the total length of the array is lambda. Option D is the answer, 57.3. Find the minimum spacing between the element in a broadside array of isotopic radiator to have dielectric of 7 decibel. Option A is the answer, 0.3125 lambda. Calculate the directivity in decibel for a broadband array consisting of 8 isotopic elements separated by lambda by 4 distance. Option B is the answer, 6.02 dB. Calculate the directivity in decibel N5 array consisting of 8 isotopic elements separated by lambda by 4 distance. Option C is the answer, 9.02 dB. Next question. Uniform linear array, 12 isotopic point, spacing lambda by 4, phase difference 90 degree. Calculate beam solid angle. Option C, 1.0467 SR. Next question. A uniform linear array contain 12 isotopic point, spacing lambda by 4, phase difference 90 degree. Calculate the effective aperture. Option D is the answer, 0.955 lambda square m square. Next question. Calculate the directivity of broadband side. Height 10 lambda, length of 20 lambda in decibel. 34 is the correct answer. Isotopic radiator, directivity gain of 30. Find the array length and width of the major lobe. Option C is the answer, 59.18. Broadside array consisting of several of wavelength. Isotopic radiator is gain of 30. Find the array length and width of the major lobe. Option D is the correct answer, 15 lambda. Find the broadside array consisting of several of wave length long isotopic radiator. Gain is 30. Find the array length and width major lobe 7.64. Option A is the correct answer. Equal isotopic A linear broadside array consists of 4 equal isotropic in-phase points with lambda by 3 spacing. Overall length of the lambda equal to BWFN. Option B is the correct answer, 114.6. A linear broadside array consists of 4 equal isotropic in-phase points. Lambda by 3 spacing. Calculate the HPBW. Option A is the correct answer. Option A, 57.3. Calculate the directivity in decibel given linear broadside uniform. 10 isotropic elements. Lambda by 4 between the element. Option B, 6.99 is the correct answer. Calculate the coupling factor of directional coupler. Power is 600 MW. Power in absolute waveguide 350 microwatts. Option B is the correct answer, 32.34 decibel. For a directional coupler, incident 550 MW. Calculate the power in auxiliary ARM. Coupling factor is 30 decibel. Option B is the correct answer, 550 microwatts. For a directional coupler, incident power is 550 MW. Calculate the power in main ARM. Output ARM called coupling factor is 30 decibel, 549.45 milliwatts. Find the derivative in decibel for a coupler if same power is applied. Is turned. Input and output of a coupler with output is matched impedance. The auxiliary output reading are 450 MW, 0.710 microwatts. Option C is the correct answer, 58. The wavelength having VSWR of 1.1 is used to dissipate 100 watts of power. Calculate deflected power. Option B is the correct answer, 0.2268 watt. Return loss of directional coupler is connected in a system in 18.2 decibel. Find VSWR. Option D is the correct answer, 1.28. Transfer electron diode operates in transient time mode at 10 GHz if the velocity of propagation of domain is taken as 10 to the power 10 cm per second. Calculate the thickness of the device. Option B is the correct answer, 10 micrometer. Gun diode operated at transient time modes at 20 GHz. Find the length of the device, 10 to the power 7 cm per second. Option D is the correct answer, 5 micrometer. Calculate the operating frequency IMPATT diode with drift length of 2 nm and drift velocity of 10 to the power 7 cm per second. Option B is the correct answer, 25 GHz. An IMPATT diode has a drift length of 2 nm. Determine the drift time if Vd is 0.02 nanosecond. Next question. A helical TWT has diameter of 2 mm with 50 turns per centimeter. Calculate the axial phase velocity of EM wave. Option D is the correct answer, 9.5 into 10 to the power 6 nu per second. A slow wave structure has pitch angle of 4 degree and is operating at 5 GHz. Calculating phase constant of traveling wave inside the tube, 1503 is the correct answer. Option A. Power at the input port is 900 MW if the power is incident on 20 decibel. Coupler with derivative 40 decibel. What is the transmitter power? Option D is the correct answer, 891 MW. Next question. A directional coupler is having coupling factor of 20 decibel and derivative of 40 decibel if the incident power is 100 MW. Find coupled power. Option B is the correct answer, 99 MW. Option B, 99 MW is the correct answer. Next question. If different value of directional coupler which has lesser coupling in following 3 decibel. Option D is the correct answer, 10 decibels. These all questions are very important for Anna University online examination. If you're preparing for GATE examination, TANCET examination, any other competitive examination related to electronics and electrical, these all questions are very important. Antennas and microwave engineering. Thanks for watching.